In this video, you'll learn how to remove water and dust from under the camera of your Google Pixel device. This process is essential for maintaining the quality of your camera and preventing further damage to your phone. Start by turning off your Pixel phone immediately if you notice any water or dust under the camera lens. This action is crucial as it helps prevent potential internal damage to sensitive components. After turning off the device, ensure that you place it in a dry and safe environment. It is important to avoid using the camera while moisture is present, as this could exacerbate the issue. Remember, do not shake the phone aggressively, as this can lead to additional complications. Next, gently clean the outer surface of the camera using a soft, dry cloth. This helps remove any dust or debris that may be present. After cleaning, position the phone in a dry area that has good airflow. This will assist in allowing any residual moisture to evaporate. For improved moisture absorption, consider using silica gel packets, which are effective in drying out moisture. It is critical to avoid using heat sources such as hair dryers, as they can cause damage to the device. Additionally, do not attempt to open the phone yourself, as this could void any warranties or cause further damage. If you find that water or dust still remains trapped inside the camera after following these initial steps, it's advisable to seek professional help. Visiting an authorized service center is recommended, as professional technicians have the expertise to safely clean the internal components of your device. Delaying this service may affect your camera's performance, so it is best to address the issue promptly. Regular inspection of your device can also help maintain its quality and functionality. After the professionals have cleaned your Pixel camera, you can expect it to function properly again. This service ensures that any moisture or dust is effectively removed without risking damage to the internal parts of your phone. It is essential to follow these steps carefully to ensure the longevity and performance of your device. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.